Think you missed your shot of making music? Too old, too late, too far behind? Yeah, I hear that a lot, but here's the truth. That story, it's a lie. And if you stick around, I'm going to show you why your age is not a limitation. It's your superpower. Somewhere along the line, we were told music is a young person's game. That if you didn't make it by 25, your time was up. We grew up in a culture that worships youth and speed. The 17-year-old prodigy, the viral sensation. The industry doesn't just ignore your age, it erases it. And if you ever felt invisible in the face of all that, well, you're not alone. But here's the truth. Music isn't about being first. It's about being honest. And that's something you only get better at with time. Now, for me, it wasn't some big comeback. It was quiet, gradual. After a few tough years, surgeries, health stuff, life crashing sideways, I started making music again. Just for me, no audience, no pressure. Just the joy of sound, of remembering who I was, who I still am. I wasn't chasing some dream from the past. I was reconnecting with something real, and it changed everything. You see, you might think you're left behind, but you're not. You've got depth, you've got perspective, you've got stories. That heartbreak, that career burnout, that sense of disillusionment, that is your music. That is your edge. At 40, 50, 60, you're more focused, less distracted by ego, less worried about trends. You're creating because you need to, not because someone told you to. That's not a weakness, that's a superpower. Let's look at some examples. Sharon Jones broke through in her 40s with Sharon Jones and the Dap Kings. Former prison guard became a modern soul icon. Leonard Cohen didn't start recording until his 30s. Hallelujah came out at 50. His career peak came in his 70s. Bill Withers didn't even start until he was 32, and he walked away by choice. David Bowie released one of his best albums, Blackstar, at 69. Charles Bradley, who was homeless for years, worked odd jobs, debut album at 62, hugely respected in the soul revival movement. C6 Steve, playing music his whole life, but it wasn't until he played Jules Holland at 55 that he saw his popularity really take off. Now, these aren't flukes, they're proof that soul doesn't age, and timing is deeply personal. Now, if this is resonating, give it a like. It helps more of us find each other. This isn't about catching up to some TikTok trend. This is about making music that means something to you. The world doesn't need more content, it needs more truth. And you've got truth to spare. Maybe you weren't meant to do it until now, when you finally had something to say and the courage to say it. So, if you've been holding back because of your age, stop. Your creativity didn't expire, it matured. Pick up the instrument, start the track, write the song. This is your time and you're not alone. Drop a comment below. What music are you finally ready to make? And don't forget to subscribe. New videos drop every week to help you reclaim your creative spark. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.